Thandaza auntie. Baba igama lika Jesu simakade siyathandaza, but in your dream your aunt is there. In your dream your aunt is there. In your dream your aunt appears. Bring them in your dreams. They appear. Now they act as if they are serving God when there's a family meeting. But in the dream you see opposite. You are fighting them. You are fighting them. You are fighting them. In the dream you are always but physical. Baba nyathandaza. Baba busisa abantwana bakabhudi. But in the dream, they are not praying. They are dealing with you. They are beating you. Jesus. Let Jesus deliver you today. In the dream, no, she's not praying. When you wake up in this morning, hey, my stomach, what's going on? I'm sick, man. What did I eat? But I dreamt someone I know. Why am I sick? A seed being planted to destroy you. What? What?
You are starting us. Do you think I will allow her to speak?
Philippians chapter 2.
Every
knee shall bow. You are on your knees now. Every tongue shall confess. Now your tongue will speak. Because you are on your knees. What? Umuthi. Yini? Umgayele. Get the mystery now. Your enemies because they don't eat with you. They don't sleep with you. They don't have access to your clothes. The enemy that can destroy you is the enemy that is with you. That's the worst enemy. That's why Jesus says in his own household. External people they can't destroy you. Anything about because already about when I meet you activated it starts. Because the devil knows what one day vomited. Vomited out. Vomited out. You leave your stomach. Get out. 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 Today we take out seeds. Seeds. Skipping it is standing beyu. Yes. Get out. Get out. Get out. Be vomited out. Be vomited out. Be vomited out. Out of her stomach. Out of her stomach. You are not going to affect her generation. She's not going to give birth to war to the sea. War you earth. Get out. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. Ground. over.
Kuphelile. Jesus.
Let's clap hands for Jesus.
Shayeleni uNkulunkulu izandla.